Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a buttercream flowers cake. I was thinking this looks kind of like daisies, sort of. So let's get started.
I start out frosting a 6-inch cake dummy with purple vegan American buttercream. And I cleaned up the cake board. Then I piped some drop flowers with white and yellow buttercream along the bottom border of the cake. I piped 2 white followed by 1 yellow. Then I piped a reverse shell border along the top of the cake with yellow buttercream in a piping bag with an open star tip. You just make twists in opposite directions along the top. Then I added some white drop flowers between the loops on the top border, as well as a cluster in the middle, and 1 yellow drop flower in the center. Then I piped some drop flowers along the side with white, and yellow drop flowers between the white. I love this cake. I think it turned out so cute. The drop flowers really resemble daisies in this color scheme. It's just so springy and happy. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more cakes.